So I want to share with y'all how to create a payment page or a payment link or be able to sell products, services, or take donations online without making a whole website yourself, and basically for free. Like you pay fees whenever you receive money, but you don't have to pay any money up front. And what you need to do is go to a website called stripe.com, Stripe, stripe.com. Stripe is a payment platform that's basically free up front. Let's look at the pricing. Pricing built for businesses of all sizes. I always know what you'll pay. Basically, you pay per transaction is 2.9% plus 30% per successful charge. So I wouldn't say it's expensive. I wouldn't say it's cheap, but at least you don't have to pay up front. You only pay when you actually take a payment. What you're actually going to do to avoid having to make a whole website and not have to code a bunch of stuff is you're going to want to use try no code options. Basically, you're going to create a payment link, which will give you a payment page that you can put a product on or put something on without actually having to build a whole website. It'll just be a link you could send out, put on your social media that people can go to and pay you from, basically for free. I'm going to sign up for a Stripe account. Create account here. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions. You're going to have to confirm your email. It just logged me straight in because I already have an account. But it's a pretty straightforward sign up process. I'm not going to go through all of that. But once you get signed in, you'll be led to this screen. But what you can do actually in test mode, and I'll flip mine to test mode, is you actually can go to this no code option in the middle that says share payment link. Start, and it gives you a form for basically creating a payment page, which I think is pretty cool. And since you're in test mode, you can actually test it out first with a test credit card number and just make sure that it works. So what I can do is you can say you want to sell a product, or you can even have monthly subscriptions on this. You can set up a payment link to take monthly subscriptions from people. You can set up either one of those. Even as a confirmation page, but basically you go in here and here I had set up a coffee product. I even put a picture of coffee beans in here. I set the price to $10. You can set the quantity, or you can let the users adjust the quantity, and you can set even limits to the quantity that they take. You can collect the consumer's addresses if you need to, their shipping addresses or their billing address. You can require them to give you a phone number, and you can add even custom fields of like custom data that you want to add to your payment form. And let me see. You can also have promo codes. You can have the customers give their tax IDs. You can save their payment information for future use. If you're going to charge for them like upfront, if you're charging for a service, you might want to charge them half up front and half at the end, so you can save their payment data so you can just easily charge them later. So this is really cool. After payment, you can make some settings about the payment confirmation page. But yeah, like it's really a good option. And even over here, you see a preview of what your payment page is going to look like. I want to show you what the payment link looks like. This is my test payment link. And so, yeah, it shows this page. You're able to make this page without any, you didn't have to pay anything. You don't have to build your own website, but you have a product here that you can use Apple Pay on. Since I'm on a Mac, I mean, it takes Cash App, it takes credit cards, I think it takes PayPal, I think it takes everything. And you can fill this out. You can actually put in a test number, which I think is 42424242. Oh, CVC. And then you can pay. And it works. Give you thanks for the payment, gives you like a little receipt, and it also sends a receipt to your email that the customer put in. So yeah, it works pretty smoothly. And the important thing to know is basically your account, mine's not in test mode, but basically your account will be in test mode until you actually activate payments on the account. And how you activate payments is you need to put in either your social security ID or you need to put in your business EIN number. And you need to put in your bank account number because they got to know how to pay you. And that's really all you need to activate your account to really take payments. And yeah, that's how you set up a payment link for free. So hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and follow. See you in the next video.